Hi, I'm Doug from Netmon. In this video, I'm going to talk about the basics of using Wireshark to analyze voice over IP traffic. I've downloaded a sample capture file from the Wireshark website. This capture file contains a voice over IP call that uses the H.323 protocol for session control and the RTP protocol for transport. Wireshark can handle a variety of session control protocols, including SIP, which is the main alternative to H.323. Since Voice over IP uses the TCP/IP protocol stack, you can make use of the general capabilities of Wireshark to analyze your voice over IP traffic. Besides this, Wireshark also has some telephony-specific functionality we can use. You'll find the tools for working with voice over IP traffic on the telephony menu on Wireshark's main menu bar. If you want to find the voice over IP calls contained in a traffic capture, use the VoIP calls item on the telephony menu. The VoIP calls window will appear, and Wireshark will list the calls found in your packet capture file. It sometimes takes a moment for Wireshark to do this. When the analysis is finished, you'll see a list of the calls found. The start and stop time columns show the time of the call in elapsed time from the beginning of the capture. The initial speaker column shows which conversation partner began the call. The from field shows an identifier for the source of the call. In H.323, this is the phone number. The to field shows the corresponding identifier for the recipient of the call. The protocol column shows the voice over IP protocol used for this call, and the packets column shows us how many packets were involved in the call. The state column shows us which state the call is in, and the comment field shows additional information which varies depending on the protocol used. You can select one or more calls from the list. To view a summary of these calls, press the Flow button. The graph shows up to 10 columns, each one representing an IP address. If you've selected multiple calls, each call will be colorized differently. The arrows on the graph show the direction of each packet in the call, and the UDP or TCP source and destination ports are shown on either end of the arrow. The comment column shows additional information depending on the protocol used for the call. To play the audio stream of a call from the VoIP calls window, select it and click the button marked Player. The Player window will open. Modify the jitter buffer value if you want to, and press the Decode button. All of the packets dropped because of the jitter buffer will be reported along with out-of-sequence packets. Pressing the play button once you've selected a stream will play back the call from within Wireshark.
No, primer tega posnetka zdajle pa je recimo klicanje samega sebe.
You can view the RTP streams in your packet capture independently by selecting Show all streams from the RTP submenu on the telephony menu. In the RTP streams window, select a stream. You can press the Find Reverse button to find the corresponding stream representing the other end of the conversation. Press the Analyze button to get a packet-by-packet analysis of the selected stream. In the Stream Analysis window, there's a list of all of the packets in the stream along with statistical information about each one. The packet list shows the Wireshark packet number, the RTP protocol's sequence number, the time delta of the packet from the start of the stream in milliseconds, the jitter the packet experienced, the skew value for the packet, the bandwidth used by this packet, and whether this packet has the marker bit set, and finally, the status of the packet. Below the packet list is a list of high-level statistical information for the entire stream. You can save this analysis as a CSV file or visualize the stream by pressing the Graph button. Pressing the Player button allows you to play back the stream in the same way that you can from the VoIP window. Okay, those are the basic tools that Wireshark gives you for working with voice over IP traffic. Thanks for watching.